So that's what in nature, the coexistence in nature. That's what is being discussed, sir.
I will suggest you one more good video, similar video. There was this man who killed 40,000 elephants,
Hmm, hmm,
and
hmm.
it's a TED talk. He killed 40,000 elephants just because he thought, they are eating a lot, because elephants are big and they eat a lot, right? So he thought that by killing it, it would be, better for us. But it turned out to be a desert after killing 40,000 elephants. And then he reintroduced them along with some more cattle, and it has become forest again. So, I mean, it just proves that every unit in nature has a role to play, and it's all, in a positive way to, coexist with each other. That's just proof of that.
So I'm sharing that in a chat box. So you can later you can watch this TED talk. Very interesting one. So the essence is that uh, what we entire this workshop is that, let me summarize. I will take 10 minutes to summarize the entire content. Then we can ask the questions. So hope these words are now a little more making sense to compare to day one. Hope you become a little more aware in the 7 days in this journey about yourself, about your actions, your words. Hope you are able to investigate if something I'm not comfortable within, with my own behavior, with my own actions, with my own thoughts, why it is happening. You are able to evaluate yourself with the values, with the proposals, what we've been discussing. So hope you not believing anything on the face value, anything, any facilitator proposed, whatever is said is take it as a proposal. Please verify in my life, is it making sense? If you believe on the face value, you leave it that fast. But if you verify, that's why all the self-reflection activities are there. If you apply in your own life, then is it making sense? That is very important. So that's why the self-exploration process, self-verification process is very, very important. First, you need to check within, is it naturally acceptable to me? When I behave accordingly, is it leading to mutuality? So it's not a memorizing something. It is not a personality development thing. Here we are requesting everyone to start this process within oneself. We can conclude what is right for ourselves. So if you see that entire existence, there are 4 orders in nature. If you see each order, for example, the plant and the soil, and the tree and soil, both are, it's not give and take, both are sharing certain symbiotic relationship, both are coexisting. In that relationship, both the entities are becoming better. Same way, the material and animal, and the plants and animal, if you see all the 3 orders, they are really enriching each other. The video is one example. But now we humans, so-called highly evolved, greatly, great, with great knowledge, we are getting benefited from each order. From material, we are taking whatever, from metal order, whatever is requirement, we are taking. From pranic order, we are taking. From animal order, we are getting benefits. Now the question is that, how is our behavior with them? How is our behavior with plants and that, with animals? Are we seeing this coexistence? Are we realizing it? Is our conduct, our behavior is respecting that coexistence? Is what Jivanija asks fundamentally. What about even other human being? Forget about the plants, material and soil or the animals. How is our behavior with the other fellow person in my house or in my relation with my friend, with my colleague? This is the question what Jeevanvidya workshop fundamentally is asking. Are we recognizing and fulfilling the relationship at all the levels? With this question, we started asking, saying that our behavior is guided by our thoughts. Our thoughts are guided by our perception, the way I perceive about things, the way I see at things. Now, if my perception is conditioned, it's not in line with reality, I'm bound to be unhappy. If my perception is in line with harmony at all the levels, then that leads my it helps me to lead happy and meaningful life in my family. With the nature, I can live in harmony. With society, I can participate for the harmony in society. Now the question is that, what do you mean by this right understanding? What kind of understanding will help you to live in harmony? Is it practical? No, it's all theoretical stuff. It's not practical. Then we started exploring, what does it mean? This one question in day one we've been asking, what is my participation in the larger order? Am I adding value to myself, to the people I am living, the society I'm staying, I'm receiving all the benefits from, and the nature where I dependent on? What is my participation? What is my value? With my choices, I am able to ensure my health, or with my choices, am I harming my health, my body? With my own thoughts, am I hurting myself, or I'm able to ensure harmony in self? In my family, where I'm living with, or whoever I related to with the other person in relationship, am I able to add value to others' life with my participation? In society, whatever the systems we are we able to contribute in the systems through our work, through our profession? In nature, everything, the water, air, food, everything is coming from nature. How we are participating? Asking this question systematically, it fundamentally transforms us. If at all anything you didn't get from this workshop, you ask this question every moment. How is my participation? Am I adding value to every aspect of my life? If this question you systematically ask every moment, then naturally your attention goes to the reality. So the first proposal we discussed that, what do you mean by harmony in individual? First, we need to understand our basic aspiration. Why we are doing anything? If you ask why, we see that for us, we want to be happy. First, we want to live, but we want to live happily. Is the only desire? No, we want to live happily, but ensure its continuity. That's the key. Are you seeing this reality in your life? If you want to live happily, then whatever we are doing right now, it's very good. Then we can indulge ourselves in sensual pleasures, we can indulge ourselves in excitement things, whatever that you do it. But fortunately, unfortunately, our fundamental need is to be happy, not just for some time. You want to be continuous happiness. That's why when you get something, you are excited all over the place. When you get a new job, when you purchase new house, or when you got some new thing, or when you celebrated some party or that. But immediately after some time, you go back to that normal. Again, there is something you search for. Please pay attention to this need. It is my need. to be happy and ensure its continuity. The next question, what makes this happiness continuity? Yes, I need to live, survive first. So material is very important, money is important. But is it sufficient? No, I'm living with the other person, in family with other human beings. I need feelings, positive feelings in relationship. But is it that much alone? No, it's not the case. See our life, where most of the problems are coming from. Hence, the clarity, the samaj part is very important for us human being to live happily and ensure its continuity. All together, we are calling human consciousness. If every time you are able to think all the three things, but if you are focusing only on material, साड़ी से गाड़ी से सुख होना चाह रहे तो that's not human consciousness. For us, something else is more important for a human. It is necessary, but not sufficient. Material is very important. It's not negating the material. So that's the proposal. So hence the journey of right understanding. That understanding that leads us to live harmonious life at every aspect of it. This is not theoretical, sir. This is our fundamental need. So then how to ensure harmony? If yes, my need is to be happy and continue to be ensure its continuity. Here comes to understand. If we say that I understand myself, what we really understand about ourselves? Have we really understood our needs? We have two different kinds of needs. We have our physical needs, we have our psychological needs. The physical needs is that to nurture, to protect, and to enhance the capacity of this body, to utilize this body in a right way. For that we need materials. Only materials only you can take care of your body or your relative's body, and you can live that comfort way. But that won't lead to that happiness or continuous happiness. Right feeling and right understanding leads to happiness. Both are important, but you cannot mix it both. The Brahm, the illusion in life is that if I have more physical facilities, I will be happy. And we are getting tired in that search. So this is one conditioning first 2 days Hariji discussed in detail. Then second day we also discussed prosperity. When we clearly understand about my physical needs are different from my psychological needs, now for me and my family, can I identify how much material is required? The moment you identify, if you are able to see, do you have more than that or less than that? At least do you have the clarity that I will earn tomorrow? So that with that clarity, the feeling of prosperity, samruddhi bhav, will come in us. Having more than required physical facility, it is a feeling, comes out of the clarity. Samruddhi bhav. Opposite daridrata, deprivation. Am I feeling that I have more than required, or I am feeling I have less? It is very important for us to live with freedom. Otherwise, always kal kya ho, fear of tomorrow, always will be with us. Very important this part. Prosperity. Then, okay, the materialist part, okay, but what do you mean by feeling? What right understanding in feelings? How to live in a fulfilled way in our relationships? Then we started exploring that what do you mean by right understanding in relationships? What is the axiom in relationships? When you have right understanding, you can ensure the feeling that we naturally want to be. When you have that feeling, you recognize your relationship with the other person. When you miss that feeling, same person who you feel so close, from tomorrow onwards, if you feel is like my enemy, or my problems are coming from him. That feeling is what very important. For that, the clarity is very important. Always remember, what is the proof, praman, that you have clarity in relationships? So in Jivan Vidya gives the one beautiful, one test, one formula. If you think you have better clarity, you will be doing 3 kinds of action. You will be more responsible in that relationship. You will be participating to add value in that relationship. With honesty, you evaluate how far I'm able to take responsibility and add value. In Hindi, आप समझदार है तो आप जिम्मेदारी लेगा, आप जिम्मेदार होगे ना, यू टेक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, जिम्मेदारी होगा, भागीदारी कर पाएगा, एंड ईमानदारी से you can reflect yourself. It is very important to test yourself in the relationship that matters to you in your life. Are you able to live that? So then we start asking, what do you mean by right feelings? Now, then we discussed about these 9 feelings in depth in all these days. The trust, Vishwas ka bhav, which is a foundational value, foundational feeling, and prem, which is a complete feeling. Any feeling, if this, when we understand principle behind this feeling, then it ensures my happiness in myself. When I express this feeling, that leads to mutual happiness. What I am not seeing clearly, I cannot show it to others. If I don't have something, that positive feeling, how I can share it in family, in any relationship? So it's not, focus is not on the other person. Focus is to ensure this feeling in myself. That's the journey. To ensure this clarity in myself. So we discussed about 9 feelings. The feeling of trust, we discussed in detail. Assurance on others' intent, the others' intent for my happiness and prosperity. The issue with the other is with competence. His ability to receive and ability to execute. पात्रता योग्यता में कमी हो सकता है. Hence, my responsibility becomes in relationship. Now, the moment you suspect on others' intent, you feel opposition towards the other. You cannot see that you are related to the other. It is foundational feeling. If at all you have any crack in the relationship, just check, is this feeling is missing. Respect, right evaluation, seeing yourself as a human, seeing the other person as a human. The moment you cannot disrespect the other person without doing to yourself. If you see yourself with your caste, with your age, with your qualification, with your post, this narrow identity, naturally you relate to your own caste people. And you relate to your post and you either over-evaluate, under-evaluate the other people. Very important. Seeing myself as a human, naturally you see the other as a human and you relate with the other. Very, very important. सम्मान की भाव, सम्यक रूपन से मापन करना, right evaluation. Affection. Seeing this acceptance is very, very important in relationship. Accepting the other person as he is, with one's own shortcomings and background. Not get caught into if and then trap. If you like that, then only I will accept. No. Just imagine if other person also doing the same with you, how the torture would be. If at all you have a good friend in your life for long term, just check that why you are with that person. Because you are accepting the person with his own shortcomings and background. Sneh bhav is very important. Care and guidance, taking care of the body of the relative and taking care of the self of the relative. What is the body's requirement? that nurturing and protecting of. And what is the self requirement? Guidance, feeling, both are important. Here also we should not mix the both. Reverence, yesterday evening I explained in depth, the acceptance for excellence, living harmony in all the levels is what excellence mean. Whoever lived that life, the feeling towards them is what reverence, Shraddha Bhav. The concept of puja, God, all this comes here only. Anyone who is inspiring us to live that life, उनके प्रति हमारा भाव, श्रद्धा भाव. Glory, if someone is putting efforts to achieve the excellence, our feeling towards them, either it might be my colleague, my own family member, or someone in the other country, anyone. If someone is experimenting to find out vaccine for the corona or some other medicines, they're excellent. They're trying to help the humanity and achieve excellence in that field. The feeling towards them who are putting efforts, glory. Gratitude, who are putting efforts for my excellence, for my own living, for my own development. Appreciating that effort is what gratitude. Very, very important feeling in relationship. You just express this one feeling sincerely. See what magic happens in relationships. And love, the complete feeling that seeing that I am related to everyone and every unit. Ananyata, koi anya nahi hai. I am able to see my relationship with everyone is what love. Feeling of being related to all. These are the 9 feelings we discussed in depth. Then, okay, all these things are okay, but how to live that life? First, I need to ensure this feeling in myself. For that, first, I need to pay attention to myself. Sir, you are saying self, self, self. What do you mean by self? Then we introduced the activities in the self. When you say self, where is the self? How to recognize self? By seeing the activity of the self. What are those activities? That I'm making the choice in my head. Each choice is coming out of my thinking, my thoughts. And each thought is guided by the desire. I desire about something. How it comes is it comes in the form of the desires comes from of in the imaging. The thoughts, now the function is it analyzes. Vislation, you do the analyzing in small bits, and you make the choice. You take you select. In simple language, you in your mind activities that you selecting psychologically, you're selecting. For example, to listen this class or to go something to attend another work. Before you select, you think that how to do it, the planning, and before that you are thinking what to do, what to be. So when we are able to aware about your choices, your thoughts and desires, this is what awareness about myself, my own words, my own actions is outside what I'm doing, but inside this is what happening. This awareness is very important. So Professor Hari discussed in depth about this. Now this awareness, when you are aware about it, you clearly see that what is it is guided by, where my desire is coming from. When there is a plate in the food on the plate, to eat this item, how much to eat, how to eat, this desire to eat, where it is coming from. Is it coming from that sensation, that taste of the food? Or my conditioned mind, what I think is important that? Or what is from your clarity, from your understanding, which is verified through your natural acceptance? What source it's coming from? Is it 1, 2, or 3? This is what we need to aware. whatever it is coming from through sensation and conditioning, that won't lead you your long-term happiness, your continuous happiness. Whatever it is coming out of the clarity, your verification, that helps you to live in harmony. This awareness is very, very important. All theories or everything is one side. This awareness about ourselves is one side. So this is what we discussed. So when we are awareness, when we are paying attention, we clearly see from what basis I am taking these decisions. Am I taking that priya hit labh, what I like, what is good for me, what is profitable to me? Is me centric I am taking the decisions in the relationship, or what is the right thing to do? Is the nyay centric? So other day I discussed the nyay pradhan, nyay yachak. One who has the clarity of what is the right thing to do, the feelings, who has that feelings, called nyay pradhan. Who someone needs to be done that what is the right thing for us. For children, someone needs to take care of them. They don't know what is right and wrong. They call nyay yachak. Now, whatever the age and experience, just ask yourself, in each interaction, am I behaving as a nyay pradhan or nyay yachak? Am I taking responsibility for the situation, or am I complaining that other is not responsible? So in summary, what we really want is continuous happiness. Are we searching from material, sensation, from food, from sleep, from sex, or from fear, whatever that? Or are we searching feeling from other person, that other should respect me, other should care about me, other should pay gratitude? Or with the clarity, I am able to develop these feelings in myself. That is what this Jivana Vidya is helping us to draw our attention to. Source of happiness, continuous happiness, is samaj or bhav. Sahi samaj, sahi bhav. Not the material, not the feeling from the outside, because both are not continuous, both are temporary in nature. थक जाएंगे यहाँ पे ढूंढते ढूंढते. If this is that, with this clarity, if this clarity an individual develop, then individual live in happiness. In family, if that person is participating, most of the people is living with this clarity, that as a family lives in this prosperity, with the clarity and prosperity. A family with clarity and prosperity will not exploit the society, the other person. When there is no exploitation, when there is feeling towards the other, naturally there will be a fearlessness in the society. When we are able to understand that each object, it is not meant to get the happiness. Sukh paane ka cheez nahi hai, sukh hone ka cheez hai. When I see this reality, I won't accumulate material. When we are not accumulating more and more material, you are respecting the nature. Everyone need not to be a farmer. If at all I am a farmer, I will contribute in that farm. If I am not a farmer, if I am doing some other job, at least I am not consuming more. In that I am contributing. Or I am finding new technologies so that people can consume less, can be another contribution. Our contribution can be in many ways. Either at the prayog level, the experimental level, you can contribute. At the production level, you can contribute utpatti. Or at the development level, at the samvardhan level, for example, morning Bala was referring to, that by nurturing that land and that trees, you can develop. Or by encouraging other who is doing it, protsahan, in that way you can contribute. There are many ways you can contribute for the larger society. But without clarity, if it go for contribution, you get tired. So there are 4-5 systems for the society to flourish. All jobs are related to these 5 systems. Either we are directly contributing or indirectly contributing. The system 1 is the education and sanskar. That education, in a simple way, one is understanding, one is living. Both are important. Not only understanding and not living, both are important. Siksha, sanskar. Health and sanyam. Health is like to take care of this body. Sanyam is the responsibility to take care of the body. Production and work. Now, both are important. We need to produce, but we need to work for that production. Justice and preservation. Human relationship. Ensuring that relationship we call justice. Human nature relationship is what we call preservation or suraksha. The exchange and storage. I cannot produce everything what is required for life. So we need to exchange. That's why the money, the role of money is that only. The storage, to ensure the safety of the community for the country, we need to storage, because we need to produce more. We got to, in that cycle, we store our seeds, we store certain materials, many things. The storage system. So all banking, if it comes to money and that, everything comes there. Now, as a human, we need to ask ourselves on which dimension I'm contributing so that the society lives in harmony. Very important, this ask question. Directly, indirectly, any way you can contribute. That gives a satisfaction for us in whatever we are doing it. But you have to understand this. What is the human goal and how I am contributing to establish the human society so that this human goal can be taken care of. So whatever the work we are doing in the CHDSC, we want to contribute to Siksha Sanskar part. Yes, the schools, colleges are there. What about the people who come out of the schools and colleges? So as a co-explorers, in the capacity of a learners, we are sharing this with that responsibility. So now the very important is that what is all these things is telling about it. Seeing reality as it is. Take this one highlight thing. When you don't see it as it is, there is a negative feeling. When you see as it is, there is a positive feeling. So whatever we feel in life, if we feel that is important, we pay attention to. So Hariji might have said this many times. If you feel money is important, you pay attention to that. If you think your bank balance is important, you pay attention. You track that. Same way, is it your happiness? Your peace of mind isn't not important? The happiness in the family, the mutuality in the family, is it not important? If you feel that is important, then you pay attention to it. So that's what we have been discussing, that the two things we are discussing. One is object to pay attention and how to pay attention. The how to pay attention is not yet discussed in the level 1 workshop, but tomorrow Hari will draw your attention to that element. So very important, we need to pay attention to ourselves, because it's me as an agent, I am acting outside. It's me who is taking decision in every moment. So that's what Jivana Vidya helps us. So Jivana Vidya is nothing but it's about Vidya is about myself. So that's the essence of this workshop. So I'm stopping it here. Any question and Q&A, any question answers, any clarifications, doubts?
Shiva, before opening up before the questions,
yes.
Since it's summary, I think people are feeling as if this is the last session.
Okay.
So session
tomorrow. No, tomorrow there is a session.
Yeah, like clarify that.
If anyone, like tomorrow we want to spend the critical question what you are raising, how to practice, sir, how to take it in our life, in our family. So that tomorrow we want to address. So I'm summarizing what we discussed till now. It doesn't mean that tomorrow there's no session. Okay, thank you. Okay, questions? Sorry, I have taken a little more time, but clarifications, doubts, any reflections also welcome. Anything we discussed today morning, nature and society.
Hello, sir.
Go ahead, madam.
I want to ask just that if trust will go, can we? It will come again. Once the trust will go, can it comes again due to
Madam.
some issue?
First, let us unpack the question itself. When you say trust goes, what does it mean?
Due to some issue, it was gone.
Madam, that's what I'm saying. When other person did some issue, are you suspecting his intent? Then trust will go us off. But you are assured about his intent, you are able to see the issue with the competence, then there is no going and coming. You are able to see there is an issue with the competence, then you will deal with that. Right now, when we trust is going means we are suspecting their intent. Just check that once.
Okay, fine.
Okay, madam.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Srikanth.
Sir, I have one small question. Like, sir, there is one diagram that you showed where we will be having one is sensation and another side from other side, like it is like preconditioning, and one is with understanding and yeah, how our thoughts are about us. Yeah, exactly, sir. So, sir, when it comes to preconditioning, like, okay, sensation, I did understand, sir, but when it comes to preconditioning, like sometimes, like without conditions, like we can't move, right? So,
Yes.
I mean, how it affects, sir? Like, really, I mean,
no, even this workshop is also a preconditioning, sir. If you are not verifying in our own life, anything we take from outside, it's a when you remember it, when you don't examine it, you tend to believe that either it is right or it is wrong. It is useful, it is not useful. You believe that.
Yeah.
Now the belief is different from the clarity. After clarity, you convince about things. You don't believe.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, right, for example, take one example in day-to-day life. Food. Take one food example.
Okay.
Now, you don't like Karela curry. Now either with your sensation or whatever the reason you don't like it. Now that belief, now you say that like all is not good for however it is good for health, you don't take it.
Okay.
Now another example, so and so community people behave like this. There is somewhere some conditioning.
Yes, sir.
Either from media might have come, either from news or anywhere. But you may not have interacted even one person in life from that community.
Yeah.
Now this conditioned, this belief, not examined it, not verified.
Yeah.
Like that in life there are many things which we not verified.
Yeah.
And now once you believed that, now you're operating your life from that space.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Once you have the clarity, sir, here when you verified it, in my experience, is it true? Or I'm believing it? At least you will open for the new possibility, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right now, we have become so rigid with our own conditions.
Yeah.
We are not able to see there is a possibility to see, okay, I may be wrong in this way.
Yeah.
That's why in relationships, immediately we are entering the deadlock. Because we are not ready to explore, is it right? Am I thinking right? Or am I believing it is right? Or I understood it is right?
Yes, sir.
So this awareness, so this when you moment you are aware about yourself, sir, you will understand that
Yeah.
why I am thinking like this, why I am doing like this.
Yeah.
Right now, what is happening, like how our digestion is happening without our awareness.
Yeah.
Our blood is flowing. Are we able to see that
No, sir.
inside? No, na? We're not able to sense it.
Yeah.
Seeing way our heartbeat is happening, our lungs are functioning. Like that, our desires, thoughts, and choices, this also like that is functioning without our
Yes.
awareness.
Yeah.
That's why most of the time, करने के बाद हम we are feeling regret or we feeling sorry.
Yeah.
So it's a very easy to say that, but it's a practice. We need to work on ourselves. For a period of time, this mastery will come.
Yeah.
So, but कहाँ तो start करना है ना ये practice?
Yes, sir.
Paying attention to ourselves.
Hmm.
ध्यान देना. ध्यान करना का मतलब ध्यान देना.
Yeah.
कहाँ पे ध्यान देना है? कि मेरा काम के ऊपर, मेरा बात के ऊपर और मेरा ये जो इच्छा विचार आशा के ऊपर.
Hmm.
That paying attention is very important, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what happens? You want to pay attention on something, mind goes somewhere.
Yeah.
You need to you need to accept that reality and bring it back. Again, mind will bring it back. In this journey, slowly, that mind will settle where we want to pay attention to.
Yeah.
So that's the journey, sir.
Sir, one more thing, sir. Like, sir, as you said, like until we verify, we don't understand.
Hmm.
So and at the same time, like sometimes what is happening, is like, in my case, I'm saying like, okay, for example, there is a situation like, if I do that, I mean, what I do believe is like, if I do that, okay, that will be good for me, or I mean, I can't actually assume it, or until I mean, like, how can I say, like, if I do that, then I don't have any choice. Like, if I get into that, I can't come back in few cases. In that cases, like, we mostly rely on like, the preconditioning as assumption, or we do ask others, and according to their or they say their reply or something, so we will go ahead. So yeah, so that is how, I mean, when we stuck in that kind of situation, so how we have to come back.
That's why good friendships are important. Good teacher is important in life. Someone who guides us important, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Second thing, anyone, whoever says it, if you assume it again, it is right, again it's a preconditioning.
Yeah.
You need to decide, you need to conclude it is right for me. Otherwise, you will always regret about that. He said that, that's why I did it. Always will be in complaint mode.
Yeah.
Even in this workshop, sir, anything we communicate, that's why we say in every day, take it as a proposal.
Yes, sir.
That's how we develop our autonomy, sir, our swatantrata.
Yeah.
That it's me who is choosing this action.
Yes.
It may be wrong. I will take responsibility for that. Then I will correct it.
Yeah.
The moment you develop this habit of taking responsibilities, sir, slowly, we will be in that path, in the right path.
Okay, sir.
So you will figure it out who should be seek the advice from. That.
Okay,
So,
sir.
and kuch to hoga na. It's not that everything is wrong in them.
Yeah, that is true, sir.
So that's why good friends, good elders, teachers in life is very important.
Yeah.
Because I am not able to figure it out myself every time. But till that time I develop my capacity, yes, I need to follow something. Give a benefit of doubt.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Any questions? Clarifications, doubts? Or any
Hello,
reflections?
Sivaji.
Sandeep ji, go ahead. Then
May
Then
Yeah,
Tejas
what I'm
Madam.
saying is that we start from ourselves, then we go to family, then we go to community, and then like city or country. But if you see the evolve that we happen, like we are going more on materialistic world. Like
Hmm.
even you go anywhere, everyone is behind money kind of things. Like even you go to
Let's
medical.
talk about I.
Okay, just I'm telling, yeah, that's something it will going in that direction. But like we are want to go from ourselves to complete cycle. Yeah, today's session, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's I'm saying that around us things is moving in that direction. How things
Yes,
will
sir.
change over the time. That's
Right.
something because we are going from good age to this more materialistic age. If
Sir.
you see 50 years before, 100 years before, things are in better way. Like there is no in crop. You can say there was no because everyone is making more crops, putting more pesticide like that. So that's I'm just giving view on that how it will happen.
No, sir, it's not that difficult. Yes, it is. There is some resistance from the outside world, no doubt. But your clarity helps you to live your life, sir. No, you have to decide that I need to live according to my clarity or according to conditioning. Once you are living with that clarity, automatically people around you will recognize what is worth to do. Now you need to decide that where should be your remote control, in the other person's hand or in your hand. So if you believe that from material you'll get happiness, please go ahead. But if you have the clarity, material is very important in my life to take care of my body and my comfort, but my happiness comes out of the knowledge and feeling. My comfort may come from the material, but not the happiness and its continuity. If you have that clarity, then you decide how you want. No, 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 sir, I want to go for materialistic because larger world is like that. Please go ahead. The corona kind of virus will come and fix one day. So when we don't restrain by ourselves, the nature will restrain one day. That's all.
Yeah.
But that will be very much horrible.
Right. Yeah, individual level you can definitely take care. Yeah.
So that law applies indiscriminately on everyone. Inner law or the outside law. That coexistence is the essence. Am I coexisting with my own thoughts, feelings inside? Am I able to coexist with my body, with the other person, with the society and nature? Anything you do against that, the law punishes. That's why the pain, that's why the dissatisfaction in life. Tejasvi, madam.
So my question is on these values. But when we deal with let's say kids like teenagers, not the up to 12 or 13, I think it's easier. And but with teenagers, it's with my experience, what I've noticed, it's highly emotional conversations, very moody people. At least my daughter is like that. So we have to be very careful when we talk to them. So with these values are lessons, are they different for teenagers? Do you have something different for them, or is it the same thing that you do and we practice?
Madam, expression will be different. Essence is always same. In family, we should not talk, madam. We should live. And if you're talking with your kid, if that is not reflecting in your own life, then they may not want to pay attention to you. If you are living that, then naturally you draw their attention. Then there you will create a space where this discussion can happen. Not telling, that discussion can happen. So this is a very unfortunate notion, madam, even parenting or that. Because like now we have my own niece, she stays with us.
That's good. If we knew these values earlier, probably from the time of pregnancy itself, we could have changed our way of life and this kind of challenge at a future date wouldn't have happened. But learning all this at a later stage of life, obviously, there are the basic foundation is not there. So
It's difficult, madam, but any day, any age or anything is the better to start. I can tell about myself. I started this journey at the age of 25. Okay, so at 24, like that. So believe me, because that much conditioning is there. But even otherwise, also there's so much conditioning will be there. But in this direction, you do small things, the results are very big. The satisfaction, the amount of satisfaction, the flow you live in life is very different. So yes, you are right that from pregnancy onwards, if you do something good, yes, good sanskars happen. The many things in our culture, it's been said. But the possibility with human being, madam, any time, any day, na? Better late than never, and that is
yeah,
there.
yeah, obviously. Thank you.
So anytime we can start. But please, one thing you remember, what I strongly see it is that teaching these things in a very less effective than living these things will be much more effective. Then you know that which language my own child understands and in what situation I can bring it this, in what form. There are many creativity ways is there to draw their attention to that. Like now, because you people are adult, you people are seeking, yes, what is the right thing. That's why we can put the class PPT and we can discuss in this way. But for the younger generation, for the other family member, you should come up with another ways. This is not the way. And believe me, in my life it happened. If you want to teach these things in family members, we'll spoil our relationship. How much you want to work on yourself, and if you take that as a commitment, then naturally your family members come to you and ask what happened to you and what is that. At least that environment you create at home, and where people naturally curious about it, what is this, then you can share, then you can draw, then you can say, why don't you go there.
Got it.
So that's very important.
Sir, can I ask one doubt, sir?
Shriti, please.
Sir, before 1.5 years, I attended this workshop through offline.
Madam.
For ACT conducted. For 3 days and again 7 days they completed this workshop.
Yes.
That time I don't know, they will give this subject for me to teach. Then this time they given for this semester, 4th semester, for electronics and communication branch, they given the UHV subject for me to teach. Starting I told it's not possible from me because I am not competent with this subject, I told. But even though they given, you attended the workshop now, but the actual thing I am unable to tell them. So then I try to teach this subject by watching YouTube and by reading Gar and Bagaria book.
Madam.
But what I felt, but you were telling the content, actual content you were telling to us. Now I understood somewhat. What is the actual content of UHV? I came to know now. But still I completed 3 modules for them, for the 4th semester students.
Okay.
So that day Sumanji explained what is, by writing, sir explained what is respect. That day actually I have to teach same topic for them, for the students. So I teach properly, sir. What sir told us, according to the same concept, I given the talk to my students. So that day I am very happy. So I reached the content properly to my students. So I felt very happy, sir, that day. But now we will get the doubt for some topics. So when we will tell, when we will explain, we will understood. But when we are teaching to students, we also get the doubts. Yes, because madam, we don't know sometimes what is the actual content of Jeevan Vidya. In that case, what to do, sir? What's your suggestion?
No, madam, all level 1, level 2, because for a teacher, you need to understand a little more and you need to be practitioner in your own life. There is a limit that how much you listen, read and teach this course. This comes through you. It's not from you. Okay. So what we suggest is that there are videos in YouTube, for question and answer videos. There are slides.
Sir, but Pradeep Kumar Charla sir video I watched.
And also Professor Bagaria's video is there. And we will share, please write to us. We will share all the detail, level 1, level 2 and Q&A details. Please write to Giri and CHDSC online. We will share it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And also very important, what Hariji was saying, in this journey, madam, sincerity is very important. In the subject, yes, we are teachers, but in this, we are co-explorers.
Yes, sir.
For example, to compare to you all people, if you see ourselves, why we always say ourselves as a co-explorer, we started this journey little before to compare to you. That's all. With sincerity, we are trying to apply in our own life. It's really helping us to live in a meaningful, better, happy life to compare to where we started. It's not a perfect. Still, we are working on ourselves. But with that responsibility, we are sharing this. That sincerity is very important, madam.
Yes,
any topic, if I don't know, if student asks the question, if I'm not see that, I will get back to you. This course, madam, I'm telling that like Hari tomorrow will throw some light, but it's a really boon because so students help us to pay attention on our own life, the way we behave. So it's a natural training for ourselves teaching this course.
Yes, sir.
So if you're little more self-explorative, if you use these practices and that, slowly you will get the command on the course, madam. It takes just 1 year, that's all. Nice. Nice.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
We are here always. You can reach out to any facilitators.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes. So Hariji says this dialogue always. Now, if you are enrolled this with CHDSC, we adopted you. So don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Any Q&A, sir? Is there any questions? Others? I think someone raised the hand. Is it? Okay. Any questions, sir? Others?
Sir, now it's through online. We are teaching through online only by sharing the PPT, what is available in Google. We are sharing, we are putting to our college template and we are doing. But through offline, we have to teach the students by writing on the board only.
Not necessary, madam. You can use slides in the class also.
Okay.
Offline, you have more spaces.
Okay.
You can create activities. You can do multiple things.
Okay, sir. Okay.
In AICTE portal, all the resources are there, madam. Just look at them.
Sir, there I searched, sir, in AICTE curriculum and all teaching material, 8 days FDP, that all searched. But the content, sometimes it's not matching to the AICTE syllabus. Sir.
Okay. Okay, madam.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Any questions?
But what you are sharing, it's matching to syllabus, sir.
Madam.
Yeah.
Sir, excuse me.
Ramnaji, please go ahead.
Yeah. Sir, how to explain to someone that materialistic things are more important than human relations? Because at some, especially to the stubborn people.
So your question is that if someone believes material is more important
than relationship,
in relationships, how to work with them?
Yeah.
No, sir. Like that is the that's the understanding they are carrying right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, is that person matters to you?
Not at all. But we are a family. We are family.
No, is that relationship matters to you in your life?
This relationship, not like that, but one of my relatives, no.
No, TK, now is that relationship matters to you? Is
Not all the
important to
time.
you?
Not all the times.
Then don't worry much about it. Let's worry with the people who really matters, number one.
Because
Number
some
two,
people
the
give,
thing
these
is
kind
that,
of people
sir,
use false propagandas.
yes, they do. If they say something, who is interpreting what they are saying? Okay. First, you need to ask yourself, am I getting influenced by them? If they put, say, a comment, if they say some sarcastic way, something, if in a relatives, when in a function, they may say that he's conjuice or something, some comment. Now, you listening this only, you are saying this propaganda. Isn't it?
To a number of people, they are propaganda.
Nothing that, sir. Our life will do its own propaganda when you live, sir, life definitely.
Okay.
So, what works is that first you need to check in yourself why I'm getting disturbed by these comments.
Yeah.
If we have the clarity, if you are able to see that, look, this is the right thing to do, not with an ideal, you are seeing it is right thing to do. That's why I'm like this. Then you will not get disturbed much, sir. Second thing, you will also communicate whenever there's an opportunity to that people who are you concerned. You communicate that, look, I'm not like this. It's a misunderstanding. I'm like this. What else you have in your hand? Tell me. Can you change them, their comments?
No.
If someone is that relationship matters to you, if those people are making the comments, then you work on more and relationship first. Then automatically comments will come down.
Yeah.
It happened with me, sir. Like I'm telling, it's not a theoretical answer. It's a practical answer I'm telling.
Come to richness and having heavy buildings, heavy bungalow, lot of furniture, some XYZ materialistic things are more. Na people used to comment they are less, we are more. These kind of things people used to make comment in family circles. Yeah.
Okay. Someone is asking, is Akhilesh ji? Who? Madam, go ahead.
Sir, this is Swati ma'am.
Go ahead, madam.
Sir, so like this is from our marriage, like 18 years back, we got married. So from 18 years, if something wrong happens between us, my husband always blames me. Like so many times this thing happened that like I was frustrated with his shouting and blaming to me, and sometimes my parents also told him not to behave like that in the house. It's going to affect on kids and all. Okay. So after that few days he will keep quiet, and then after that he will start blaming me. Due to you only I have to face this insulting situation and all. You should keep quiet and always listen to me. And so how to convince him, sir, in this situation?
Madam, like it's very difficult to conclude something by this small information, but there's the principle. What Janija principle is that how is the feeling on each other?
Okay.
Now, if that feeling is not right, then at this short-term fixes won't work, madam.
Okay.
Now, how like, are we feeling safe with each other? Are we feeling that? Are we communicating that you are important in my life? You are very important for me. First question we need to ask. Once we are communicating through feeling, then in the conversation you can communicate. Look, whenever this is happening, when you say like this, it is hurting me.
Okay.
Not with this jagada kind of thing. Not that I will prove that he is wrong. No. You know, madam, like other day we are discussing, generally what happened, we take positions.
Yes.
You know, like he says something, we say something.
Yes.
Now we reached a deadlock.
Hmm.
Now in the deadlock, there is no solution other than blaming each other.
Yes.
But if we ask ourselves, what is our core interest?
Okay.
Interest is that, look, when something wrong happens, it
Hmm.
happens with me, it happens with you.
Hmm.
Can we talk about it?
Okay.
Now, if that interest, the relationship is center, the healthy environment in the home, that is the center, that's the purpose is the center, then naturally we don't suspect each other's intent.
Okay.
Right now, madam, you need to check how much baggage we built in our past reactions.
Okay.
And also you suggest your husband to attend next workshop.
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then when you both have this perspective,
Hmm.
then you can at least have a conversation.
Okay. Okay.
And also we need to check, madam, it's our condition na? From childhood onwards, the many conditioning it might be there.
Yes.
Okay. If as in for you and the other person, that why we are reacting, the way we are reacting, yes, he said something, but
Okay.
I'm also getting triggered by it.
Yes. Yes.
Now
Yes.
both the parties is involved. Now that fire is is becoming big.
Yes.
Now if other person is coming like a with the fire,
Yes.
am I acting as a water or am I behaving like a petrol?
It's too difficult, sir.
So at least that's why, madam, to create mess, two people are required.
Yes.
But to start the possibility to work on solution, at least one person clarity is important, and it works.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Nowadays, I'll always in the cool and calm way, I'll try to handle him. Okay. I'll say, okay, it's okay, good. And we always try to maintain harmony in the house. Okay. So that is the efforts I am putting from some years.
Then we will, no, then madam, once you are not reacting, you will create a space for conversation. It's not that what other is doing right.
Okay.
But you are accommodating that, then you are dealing with it. With the feeling that you are able to convey what matters to you, what makes you hurt, or so on and so forth.
But sir, I could not convey that message. I always prefer to keep quiet and जो भी हो रहा है होने दो, जाने दो. It's like that.
पहले भाव सुनिश्चित करिए घर पे.
Okay. Okay.
ना बाद में correction will happen.
Okay.
Let connection first. Let establish our connection.
So I always have fear that, okay, if I'll say him this and then again he will get anger. It's better I'll keep quiet. I have that type of feeling. And I don't want to increase that. But then inside I'll get disturbed. So how to come out from such feelings?
No, madam, we need to work on this feeling part, the bhav. When bhav ka abhav, that lack of that feeling only, all this negative stuff.
Okay.
Once you need to be clear, you need to first give importance to your happiness.
Okay.
This is the first thing. When we give less importance to ourselves, everything we start giving importance.
Okay.
You give value to valueless things. Once you're giving value to your happiness and environment at home,
okay,
what next generation is looking at it, what like how better we can lead our life in a day.
Okay.
If the moment you have this vision, this clarity, madam, then slowly you work on your reactive tendencies.
Okay.
It takes time, madam, because बहुत सारा accumulate किया ना.
Yes. Nowadays, I won't react also and I won't respond also. I'll keep quiet. So that I am prefer always nowadays.
But when you are calm, then you can start the conversations.
Okay. Conversation should be there.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
क्योंकि समझ के साथ है ना कौशल skill भी चाहिए, madam. Very important.
Okay.
With clarity, you need skill. How to deal the things. The skill is important.
Okay.
Don't assume that by knowing what is right, you are able to do how to do it. No.
Okay.
Knowing helps you to first calm and ensure the feeling.
Okay.
But to get things right, you need to have the skill. skill
Okay.
to engage in the conversation, in the dialogue,
Okay.
skill to draw his attention to the what is right. So these are important, but at least पहले भाव को सुनिश्चित रहेंगे.
Acha. Okay.
At least we are not joining that fight, not escalating that issue.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Nice.
Thank you, sir. I'll
Thank
try
you.
to develop that skill.
Feeling.
First feeling and then skill. What you
Ah.
said just now.
भाव ही भगवान है.
Okay.
Or like that. Feeling is more is important.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any questions from others? So anyone, you done with your questions, you can leave. Today
Shiva,
we are
sir?
spending time to address everyone's question. Sir, please go ahead.
Sir, Shiva, sir, one question only. As that madam has asked that question, that when in husband-wife relationship, even in, sir, when employee-boss relationship, and especially when you are at the, sir, lower end means at the hierarchy or lower end. Another person is the in state dominant end, sir. So I am, sir, asking to regarding its implementation. So first, as for example, when some person is not able to understand, then first thing we have to hold the, sir, trust. Then next thing, sir, I assume that it is to be respect, that he or she is not in that competence to deliver those things. So now to make the things complementary, I will make the effort, sir. Right?
Yes.
So that will engage me toward the behavior.
Yes.
Third thing is, sir, affection, that the other person is whatever he is due to his preconditioning, etc. But I am able to accept it, right? Because it is not his primarily his fault, means it totally in his control. Hello.
Yes, we can hear.
Sir. So, sir, in this part, sir, so then part comes affection. Okay, I will accept the another person. Then, sir, now next thing, sir, comes basically the awareness. Okay, now how should I respond? By seeing my role model, means whatever is in my around those. So performing that behavior means, as you are telling the skill, that means what can be done depending upon the situation. Is it, sir?
Sir, sorry, I missed the connection in between. I lost your thing.
Okay.
After you are talking about boss, but the thing is that, sir, when you are saying the step by step, when this feeling is there, then it's a matter of conversation, sir. Honest conversation. In honest conversation, we are able to express our real concerns. When the feeling is intact, there are very less chances there to misunderstanding.
Actually, sir, the main problem, what I am practicing it, sir, from many days, because I am following it from last year. So, sir, the problem, what comes that some fear comes out, sir, automatically. But as persons means another person is not in control. If, for example, his pitch has gone higher, or as per his or habits, sir, he has told some very non-formal word, non-etiquette word. Then, sir, then actually the process to initiate, etc., then it goes again down, sir. And then when you feels to interaction, anyway, sir, it helps. I am asking you, I'm just saying it helps a lot, sir. But is there, sir, any another method, or you have to, as you are practice again and again in this way only, means because sir, some person behaved in this way 2-3 times, then, sir, it happens. Okay, so is it necessary to initiate? Okay, no problem. I have another important works also to live in harmony. So, sir, means what is the right thing, whether to initiate a conversation or to maintain our harmony as it is?
No, sir. Or, if you want to change the status quo, you think if you have the competence to deal with that person, that situation, you should. But if you think that I don't have that competence to deal in that situation, then you need to work on yourself better.
Okay,
That's
sir. So,
if you
work.
go with less competence, then that maybe become maybe much worse.
Okay, sir.
There.
So again, you have to assess the things again and again and then.
Yes. But
And sir,
when relationship is intact, sir, the fear will go away. Just work on that relationship.
no, sir, absolutely. The truth, trust is basically means trust and either trust or it will be fear.
Yes. And also expressing gratitude is very important in the workplace, sir. And when you don't express our gratitude in the workplace, very difficult to open that space. When you're expressing the gratitude, now when you're acknowledging the other person, how other person is contributed to your life and your work or whatever that, slowly that gap will reduce.
Actually, sir, isme what the problem means, the practical problem which I faced that when I expressed the gratitude that day, the person felt happy. Okay, yes. But next time again, sir, because it's very difficult to, sir, express the means. I did not know how to express the gratitude this time when I had expressed it earlier. So then the person became same, sir. And
Nice.
but sir, I am very sure now I do not have any feeling that he is not intentionally, etc. These things are clear, but still implementation wise, when I go through it, it is not that smooth, sir. That's only my sharing.
Nice. Great, sir. All the best.
Okay.
Any questions from others? If you're done with your questions, you can leave. If any questions is there, that's why I want to take. So since last Q&A, tomorrow evening we don't have any Q&A. So if you have any doubts, questions, clarifications from any point, any concept, you can ask.
Sir,
madam. Please, madam, go ahead.
Sir, this what is CHDHC meaning actually? Then what is the goal of this one, sir?
Okay. So tomorrow, I think Professor Hari will explain that. CH Center for Holistic Development of Human Consciousness. Manav Chetana Sampurna Vikas Kendra. Sampurna Chetana Vikas Kendra. So idea is that, madam, the major problem, the central, the core problem within our consciousness.
Yes, sir.
All the problems for human is coming from there. That is the outside what we are saying. It's a manifestation of with the issues in the consciousness level. So we as a group of people, when we undergone this course and for a decade, when we travel it, we see that this is the most meaningful activity one can do in life.
Yes, sir.
That's how a group of friends, we started working on ourselves as a group, and we are started sharing this to others.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So that's the journey, madam. So more about our nation tomorrow, Hari sir will share.
Nice one, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nice. Sir, there is no weekend batch as such. There is in Telugu, every Sunday there will be a Q&A session, refresher session. We take one topic in depth. So we not started anything in English. So soon we will inform if anything we are starting about it. Yes.
If you started in English, sir, please inform me, sir.
Yes, madam. All the people will be informed.
Yes, sir. As you suggested that my husband should do this course, sir. So I will definitely suggest him. Please inform us, sir, whenever you are starting this same course.
Yes.
And sir, if it like 6:30 is little bit early for
madam, what's happening, madam? We are doing this. This is the 13th batch. What we tried all the evening batches also.
Okay.
That is the most because people are doing work on Zoom. People fed up with this online, this part.
Okay.
So that is the most happy time, 6:30 to 8.
Okay.
So finally, after all the try and test, we concluded that's the better time.
Okay. So, but what happened now? This due to this lockdown, people's lifestyle have been changed. They are doing late night work and getting up late.
Madam. So you need to
So,
change that habit for this class.
yes. Even I am planning for my kids also, but they are also saying same only, Mama, we cannot get up so early. You do your course. They are such saying like that. They'll get up, they'll sleep at 1 o'clock or 1:30 night, and they will get up at 8:30 like that.
One thing I forgot, madam, I'm very sorry about that. Feedback form. We will share the feedback form. Please fill that in the WhatsApp group. We will share that. I request everyone to fill that before tomorrow morning. Please write your reflections. Tomorrow, if anyone wants to share your journey and what is your insights, please share. That helps as a facilitator us also to know what's happened, and also for the community, it will be very inspiring.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sure, sir. We'll feel it.
So, Vinita ji, Deepali ji, any questions? Abdul Latif ji, Shiva sir, Basaraju sir?
No, sir. Thank you. It's very interesting. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you,
if there's
sir.
no questions, then we will close.
QA session is really very interesting, sir. Thanks a lot.
Welcome, madam. Welcome.
Sir, one question.
Sir.
Is the next session and in Telugu also, sir?
Yes, next will be in Telugu, sir.
The timings and details I am asking.
Same timings. Timings will not change.
Okay.
Same duration, everything will be same, but dates will be announced soon.
Okay. In the same chat group, sir. Same WhatsApp.
So once you registered, you will get all the information. Whatever we do, you will be informed.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Then thank you very much for everyone. Thank you for your active participation. Then good night.
Thank
See
you.
tomorrow morning.
See you all tomorrow morning.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.